Right, today in the kitchen we're going to be cooking buffalo chili with basmati rice. Lucy's going to do it all.
I don't know.
Over to you. We'll start with the rice. We'll get the rice simmering early. Rice into the pan. So that's half a cup of rice and we want around 1 cup of water. So, because that's a half cup, put 2 cups of those.
Water.
Yeah, water. So fill that one up, put it in your pan. And another cup. So that's half a cup of rice and 1 cup of cold water. Oh, spillage.
Oh. Don't make me laugh.
Go on, in it goes.
You made me laugh.
So I'm going to put that. I'm going to put that on the hob. As soon as it starts boiling, I shall reduce it right down.
You made me laugh. You made me spill the cup.
Oh, that's on the hob simmering now. Clear that.
I'm there.
Okay, next we want half an onion chopped. That's just a small onion. Because this is only to serve one, that's fine.
Do I get the peel off first and then cut it?
I'd cut it first and then it'll be easier to peel. What I tend to do is cut the ends off, cut that side, and then cut that side, and the peel will come off quite easily. Watch your fingers, that's it. There you go.
And then peel it. Do I peel it?
Yeah, peel it now if you want.
It smells disgusting.
There you go. You want to cut that in half?
And which half? Which way?
Whichever way you want.
Is it upside down?
Move that way.
There.
Yep. Now chop that as best you can. Keep your fingers well out of the way.
Like
No. It's not a chopper. It's not a meat cleaver.
that? Like that?
Yeah, keep your fingers out of the way.
Thin or thick?
It's up to you. However you want it, 'cause it's got to go into the mix. It's got to go into the chili. That's it. Watch your thumb out of the way. Turn it flat now. We work with a flatter edge. You're a lefty, aren't you? Let's try this. Keep your fingers like that, and then this will go up against your knuckle here, and then you'll never cut yourself.
Might cuss.
You won't. Because you're never going to get that close to your finger. That's always going to stop it.
Is that good?
You want it a bit finer than that. So scrape it together now. Put this hand.
Can you do it like that?
No. This hand on here,
Okay.
and this hand on the handle. Because you're a lefty, aren't you?
Yeah.
So make sure your fingers stay on top and your thumbs out of the way. Chop, 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 chop. And then move backwards. Lift it a bit higher so you're not pushing it. That's it. Now come back. Okay, now drag it together into a pile again. Use the knife for it if you want. That's it. Now chop again. You can take your time, you don't have to do it fast. As long as you keep your thumb out of the way.
My eye. It's stinging my eye.
Your eye's watering now. Okay, 1 clove of garlic, which is there.
Oh.
Peel it. Get your garlic mincer.
Do I do it up or down?
Downwards. Let me get you a little bowl.
To put it in?
Yep.
Okay, I'm
I'll give it a good squash now. Gone through?
Yeah, kind of.
Only a small garlic clove, but it's okay.
Not barely any.
You don't want it tasting too much of garlic, do you?
No.
Okay, we're going to do the mince next.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go get some gloves. Where's the gloves?
There you go.
Thank you.
Well, this is the mince that I bought from Oakleys farm. We bought a pack of 500 grams, and so far I've made tacos, koftas. We're doing chili now. I'm also going to do some meatballs as well. So I got that to look forward to.
I'm done now.
Okay.
Where's the meat?
Where's my spoon? I had a spoon somewhere.
Is it there?
Okay, so we're putting everything into this now.
These?
So your onions in, your garlic in.
No, do I put in first?
Whatever, we're all going to mix together, so. Okay, right, the rice is boiling now. That hasn't taken long, so I'm just going to reduce that right down to a very low heat. And just let it simmer away for the next 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, what do I do now?
And the rest of the spices and stuff from over there. So we've got brown sugar. One brown sugar in. Might as well put them straight in. Salt and pepper, this one is.
What's next?
Oregano. Ground cumin. What do you think that bright orange one is?
Chili!
No.
Oh,
Is that word that I can't say?
paprika!
Paprika. The smoked paprika.
Paprika!
And they're your chili flakes. Okay. Now get your hands in and start to massage it. Don't squash it up too much, just gently massage it and break the meat apart.
Like that?
Yep, both hands. It's like you're stretching Play-Doh out.
Do I break it?
Yeah, pull it apart. You want to pull it apart because it's all got to separate in the pan. And then mix it together with all your spices in there. And your onion and your garlic. And mix it all around in the spices. Get it all coated.
What now?
That's it. Now we need to go over to the hob. Do some cooking.
Okay.
Let me cook.
Okay.
Okay, so we're at the stove now. So we'll give our rice a quick check. So lift the lid, watch the steam and watch where the water drips. I'll lift that. And you want to give it a little stir with a spoon just to check it. Hold the pan with the other hand. That doesn't roll around. Yep, it's coming along nicely. That'll do. I could have given you a fork and asked you to fork it up, but I gave you a spoon instead. What? Okay, so we want to get some heat into our pan now. I'm going to go in with a little bit of olive oil. Let that come up to a nice temperature and then we'll throw the mince in. I got a tin of tomatoes somewhere.
Chopped tomatoes.
So these are the tomatoes I'm using. I think these are from Lidl or Aldi. Aldi, there we go. Chopped tomatoes with herbs. And also we're going to be using half a beef stock cube or pot, stock pot. Okay, I think we're ready for the mince to go in. Do you want to do that, Lucy?
I How'd you do it?
Just tip the bowl into the pan. Use the spoon there if you need to.
No.
There we go. I can go into the washing up. And get your spoon.
Spoon!
I'm gonna mix around, break it up a little bit. We don't want too big of clumps.
What do I do now?
Keep giving it a stir, flick it over. That's it. Break it up into little pieces. Just watch your arm on that small saucepan so the steam coming off it. Bring the heat down a little bit more now. Look for any bits that still look red or pink.
My arm aches.
Your arm?
Yeah.
Bring that right down to a low heat now to simmer. And then we'll put the stock cube in and the tomato. There you go, put half of that in.
Half?
Half, yeah. Spoon it out. Just grab it with a spoon.
That much?
Yep.
What do I do with it now?
Into the pan.
Yeah, it's in the pan now.
A little bit of water just to steam it a bit. Not much. Tablespoon if that. Give it a mix around.
Do I mash that thing up?
No, that'll melt down. So just give it a stir around just to soak up into the meat. I'm going to use my gingerbread man spatula.
Yes, please. There you go.
We'll start with half a tin of tomatoes and see how we get on. Okay, just keep that moving. Now we're going to put in the tomato. So we'll start with half a tin and see how we get on.
Ew.
It's like a bolognese.
I don't like tomatoes.
But you like this, incorporating look into the sauce. In that nice brown chili sauce now. You want to give your rice a quick stir.
Okay, where's the spoon?
Grab another one. I've got plenty of spoons. Okay, nice and fluffed up.
Yeah.
Okay. Fluff it up good. Okay, take it off the heat now because all the water's dissolved. Put it on at the back burner.
The steam's very, very hot.
Yep. So what you want to do now, you've fluffed it up, just take the fork out. Oh, sorry, the spoon. Put the lid back on.
It won't come off the spoon.
It's okay. We'll let it steam for a couple of minutes by itself. Just to go extra fluffy.
The spoon's hot. The spoon's steaming.
Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much ready. So we'll turn the heat down on that. The residual heat in the pan will keep it warm. Give it a couple of minutes and we'll go and plate up.
Yay.
We ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've just come over from the stove. We've got the mince here. We've got the rice there. They're going to go in the bowl. It's going to get eaten. It's going to be delicious.
Which one do I put in first?
Rice first. So you want to spoon it in into the middle of the bowl?
Okay.
A little bit closer. So that's nice and fluffy now. This is your portion, so...
Mine?
Oh, it's for you. This is for you to eat.
All of this?
If you want it all. Come on, put it all in. You have to try and make it look pretty as well for the YouTube viewers.
I don't know how to do that though.
So we get a little together. Just fluff it up a little bit. I'm going to fluff you up, you rice. Okay, now...
Fluff the rice.
Do you want me to do the chili or do you want to do it?
You can do it. Do you go around now?
I would go straight in the middle.
Okay. How much are you having?
I told you, this is all for you.
Oh.
This would go great on a jacket potato as well.
Really? Make a jacket potato in the next video?
Do you want to do the cheffy thing?
What cheffy thing?
I don't know, everything looks better with a leaf on it. I know you don't. I know you don't like coriander, but just place it on top. It looks better.
There we go.
Chef's kiss. Mwah.
There we go.
And there we have it. Buffalo chili with basmati rice. Made by Lucy.
Yeah!
Well, hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, don't forget to do all those great things like liking the video, subscribing, sharing, following. Lucy's disappeared. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Catch you in the next one. Oh no, I wasn't recording. Just kidding.
You.
Ah.